Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. This is Rocky. So if you haven't joined my channel before, this is an awesome channel where we talk about beauty, fashion, living in Chicago, life as a woman, everything in between. So if that's your jam, I say hit that subscribe button and just tag along. Just watch a few of these videos and I think you'll find that you really enjoy the content. So let's move right along. I don't have much today. So I feel bad for newcomers. You guys can look at some of the older videos, but today is one of those days where I just need to get caught up on life. So I have a few things planned. You guys know of some of them. Was it the last video, I believe, I talked about starting on this hair growth journey, and I'm going to be using Shea Bae powder to do that. Today is the day that I finally go ahead and apply the first round of the Shea Bae powder, and I'm going to do this whole thing for 40 days, I think. I'm going to try to do it for 40 days. And so we'll see how that goes. Like I said, I'm going to do sort of an aside, record all of that, put it all together, and do a video for you to show you that journey over the 40 days of the Shea Bae powder. I know how I roll. I am not feeling confident about that whole thing, but we'll see. I'll try anything because at this point, I'm really frustrated with what's going on with my hair. Aside from that, I've decided that I'm not thinking that I'm going to wear my hair out with the Shea Bae, so that, you know, I still don't even know really how the hair is gonna, how the powder is gonna look in my hair. I think that the residue from the mixture will be visible, and that embarrasses me a bit. Even before having put it in, I just feel uncomfortable having that in my hair. So I think I'm gonna be rocking a wig during that time frame. It's a nice wig, it's a good wig, but I've just never done anything with it to make it look, you know, make it look good for everyday wear. So today I'm gonna be, you know, making that wig look nicer, you know, cut down the edges of the hair to make some baby hairs, thin out the hairline so it looks more natural, all that good stuff. So that's gonna be one project today. Actually, let me bring in the projects that I'm working on. So the first project is what I just mentioned, is getting this wig to a state that I can wear nicely. I think you guys have seen this wig. I did the new freezer challenge a long time ago that prompted all kinds of things. I got thousands and thousands of views on what is it? Twitter? Yeah, I don't even use Twitter, but I got thousands and thousands of views on Twitter because I did the new freezer challenge, and I'll pop the video here. And in that video, I also, because I put makeup on my face, and so I just don't normally put makeup on my face, so I had to like do a deep facial scrub for me in my head to clear the makeup out of my pores. I just felt really weird about having all that makeup on the day before. So yes, I did I put a little clip of that challenge in there, as well as I, did a facial. So take a look at that video. And then, so this was the wig that was in there. It's a really nice wig. It has a lace front to it. I don't know if you can see that very well. It has a lace front. I do need to like put some makeup on it and thin out the hairline, put some little baby hair so I can comb it, down so you can't, really see that it's a wig. I don't know. Wish me luck on that one because I've never done that before. And like I stated before, so right now it's kind of shaken up. It doesn't look so bad, but when this settles down, the cut is pretty blunt. So it's like, yes, that is a wig. Like over the course of the day, if this settles, you'd be like, why is her hair like super perfect? So I think I need to cut this a bit and put some layers in there, make it look not so, I don't know, wiggy. And so that'll be project number one. And so once I do that, and once I apply my Shea Bae, moving forward, you will see me with straight hair, and that's because it will be a wig. The next project, and I'm not sure if you remember this, so I will look for this video and hopefully pop it here for you to see. I did a haul, like a major haul with Shein. It was one of my first hauls actually, about a year ago or so. And I bought some really cool Balenciaga boot dupes, and they were actually really, really good in comparison to the real thing. So these are the boots. The shoes, yuck, I touched the bottom. Anyway, these are the shoes. And what I discovered after I bought them was that they were a bit too big, which I wasn't too annoyed by when I bought them. But now I'm feeling more and more annoyed by them now. Since they're so big, they're clunky. I have scuffed these up so badly. Both of them are scuffed like this. What I haven't used was a microfiber rag. I'm thinking the other thing they suggested was like something acidic, maybe some lemon juice and baking soda type of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try those two natural ways. Then otherwise, if I can't, I'm going to buy some shoe paint and paint over these. These are just probably gonna be my I don't really care shoes, wear them whatever, wherever. If they get scuffed, they get scuffed. They're relatively comfortable, and the stinkiness finally did go away, because if you go and rewatch that original video, these smelled like death. They were awful. They smelled like chemicals, wet basement, and cigarettes. They smelled awful. But now they're just fine, so I'm totally fine with that. The last project is my closet, and it's just a never-ending thing, and I have no desire, energy, none of that to do anything with that stupid closet. It gets so messy, of course. Just being a woman, right? We've talked about this before. When you're getting dressed in the morning, you might have an idea of what you want to wear. You put it on and it just doesn't quite lay right. Or you can't decide what you want to wear, so you try a bunch of different things. Or, you're organized and you do have everything in there, but once you take them off, you put them wherever. So my closet is no different. Plus I do YouTube videos, plus I do outfits of the day for Instagram. So today I am also in the middle of the plumber being here. We have a plumber coming in to do some work to wash. I have like 5 loads of laundry to do. Fold, put things away, organize my closet, get my life back in order. And what happens for me is I end up losing track of what I actually own. I end up re-wearing the same pieces. And then the other thing is sometimes I lose track of what I have, and then I end up going and re-buying some of the things that I already own, which leads me to a moment of shame. I have a goal for 2019 that I'm only going to buy 12 pieces. I'll pop here the 12 items that I want to buy for 2019. So now, Nordstrom Rack is having their also famous 25% off, additional off of clearance. And I went to Nordstrom Rack around my office with a coworker just to one window shop, as well as find some of the things from my 2019 shopping list. Now, it started out positively. Plus, she was looking for her own things. Because she was looking for her own things, she found these really super, super, super soft joggers. I was like, man, I want some. So I went looking around, and I did not necessarily find the exact joggers that she had, but I just had it stuck in my head that I needed some joggers because she had some joggers. And I bought a pair. They're cute. They're super cute. I rock them to the office. I'll show you what that looks like. I rock them to the office. It's super, super fitted, like some really cute feminine joggers. Wore them with some really cute suede and leather pumps with the tie around the ankle. And then I put on a tank, tank top so that my midriff wouldn't show. And I put on a crop top sweatshirt. And you guys have seen this crop top sweatshirt before. It's from the laundry room. And then I put a blazer on top. It's I think you've seen this blazer. You've seen that blazer too that I bought. It's a gray Banana Republic blazer. So I just did gray from head to toe, a monochrome look, which we all know is in for 2019. It's in all the time, in my opinion. Monochrome, if you break up the tones, will always be in. So I did monochrome from head to toe, and I put on this chunky 80s/90s necklace with it, and you can't see it in the picture, but I also paired it with the gold on my Fitbit watch. So it's just kind of gold necklace, gold gold watch, and then I had these gold hoop earrings in as well. So that was my look, and I felt okay in it. I think that wearing sweats to the office may typically be frowned upon or a faux pas, but I felt okay because 1, it was Friday, and Friday is typically very casual, and 2, because I wore it with heels and a blazer. And I have a theory: if you put a blazer on anything, it makes it work appropriate. So that was my theory. I don't know if it's true, but that's my theory. So with this closet, Joe, let me take you and show you. This closet is just, oh, it gives me hell. I could never keep it clean. Let me turn on some lights. The lights in here suck too, by the way. But the lighting in my closet sucks. Every time I take off an outfit, you see it here. They all kind of end up either here or, you know, on the floor. no, honestly, I hang them all up. And then the things that don't hang, that's where they end up up here on top of that. And then these clothes here, there's a huge stack. Let me try to give you a feel for the thickness of this. These clothes here, as well as this here, this sort of chunk here, this from this black long piece to this costume here. Anyway, this section here, that plus this are officially pieces that I have no room for. So that's why they hang there. Whenever I do my videos in this closet, I typically film on this side. I do put away whatever I've been wearing, and I film on this side because it's the cleanest part of the closet. On this side, I still have the things that I claim that I'm going to sell in these two tubs. Have not sold them. And then obviously all of this that have no home. And then these are is a combination of things I've probably worn once and things that are completely clean and folded. And then down here are things that are clean that I have not put away. Not dealing with that shit. Not dealing with that shit. Gonna put this away. So if you're not seasick from all of that, because I can never hold this camera right, I'm gonna try to hold it as still as possible and let me know how that works.
So hopefully I can hold this still enough, and hopefully you're not seasick. But that's what I'm working on today. So I am in, and then, oh, I didn't mention, and then I have, I'm skipping the gym because the plumber's gonna be here. I'm not gonna leave the plumber here by himself. And then I have to go to the dentist. I'm always at the doctor, the dentist, the something. There's always something. And then I'm going to go and see a venue with the creator of Surround Sound of Fashion. So we are, even though the goal was to take a hiatus for 2019, that is not the case. There seems to be too much demand for the show, and so we are going to do a 2019 show.
So that's what we're doing, and wish me luck. I have a lot to do today. I have a lot of stuff to do today, and I'll be honest, I don't have any faith that I'll do even half of it, but that's my plan. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So I'm planning something, and I'm gonna try to get through it. So that pretty much brings me to the end. We've gone all over and talked about my mundane ass life. And hopefully you have a wonderful Saturday and weekend planned as well. That's all I have going on right now. And for those of you who are just joining, I promise that it's not this dull. It's just that today is a catch-up day. So everybody has them. It's a common thing. So anyway, I'm going to stop babbling. Thank you so much for joining. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give me some comments. Let me know what type of content you'd like to see. Hit the like button if you liked it. Share it with your friends. I am so eager to grow with you, so go ahead and share it with your friends. I think if you liked it, they'll like it too. Bye.